This is all done. Somebody's at the door. Oh, fuck's sake. Need to go and get the door. Thank you. Can you see this? It's blinking, but the LCD isn't working. I replace this with this one. But first, let's see some possibilities why this is not working. This is the Fitbit Source 2. And this is not working. I'll be replacing this with this one. Hope this is gonna work. There are three possibilities why this is not working. One of them is the screen might have been cracked because of the drop, or number two, the screen might have come loose because of the drop. There is a clip that, suppose this is the flex that the LCD has, and there's a clip that goes in there and it's supposed to hold it, but sometimes what happens is at the drop it gets loose and it just comes off. It might be that. And number three, the motherboard might have been broken. In other ways, I'll have to open this up and see what's wrong with it, and then if it's the LCD problem, I'll put this one on. So let's see. I'm gonna remove this first. Still blinking. To remove this, what we'll have to do is squeeze this. So just push this down in like this, and it just comes out easily. There are a few locks here that needs to be unlocked, unplugged. See what I mean? This is the clip that's supposed to hold it. Sometimes it comes loose and sometimes it doesn't. So let's see. So we'll have to unplug this, unlock this, and the LCD comes off easily. Let's proceed quickly and see if it works or not. Sometimes it works. Okay, let's see. Let me brush this as well. Let's see if this works or not. This isn't working. It's not lighting up. This is lighting up, but the screen isn't lighting up. Anyways, it was worth a try. It wasn't a waste of time. It was worth it. And if I hadn't tried cleaning it and putting it back again, and if the screen was working, I would be throwing a perfectly working screen away. It's just a waste of money, you know, and it pollutes the environment as well. So always try putting it back and see. What I meant is, always try cleaning it and put it back again and see if that works or not. Now, let's try this one. See if this works or not. I hope this isn't broken as well. This is a second hand. So let's see if it works or not. Let's put it on. So just put this on and clip the thing, and let's see. Aha, this one is working. Good thing I don't have to do any more tests on it. Now it's time to put this back together. Put this in here, and to remove this, what we can do, if the LCD is broken, you can just pull it out with a prying tool like this. But if the LCD isn't broken, but this outer plastic is broken, then what you have to do is, you'll have to warm this up. And using a prying tool, slowly from the side where there is a little gap, so slowly pull it out. This comes off pretty easily. Why is it not focusing? Wait, focus. Yeah, comes off pretty easily. Now let me just wipe this off and I'll put this one back in. Okay, this looks clean. Let's put it here. There you go. So this is ready to be put in to the wash now. Now it's just a matter of pushing this back in. So once this is aligned, you need to just push it inside. I think I cracked something. So yeah, this is all done. Let's put this back and I can send it back. So it looks pretty good. It's blinking here as well. So it's all good. Let me keep charging this for a while. And then I can send it back to them. Charging now. Okay, I'm just gonna write a quick note to the guy who broke this. I am glad that I was able to fix your watch, but please be careful not to break these things. Let's do this. We cannot stop accidents from happening, but I believe prevention is better than cure. I wish not to see this watch again. Sincerely yours, Dylan. Thank you. So this is working fine. I'm gonna pack it up and send it to him. That's the way it was sent to me. Gonna pack it up in there. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the plastic on it. So this is gonna go back to him tomorrow.